Alright guys, yo, so y'all already know, fishbowl, man. There's a fishbowl situation that I have to fix. So what I decided to do, man, somebody gave me a great idea to, hey, Myke, do it yourself. You do everything yourself. So I was like, you know what? Yeah, why not? Let me give it a shot. So what I did, man, I went on Amazon and I found some pre-cut tint, right? Let me tell y'all something. Never tinted a car before. Like, you know what I mean? That was never, it's open already. Never tinted a car before. That was never really my thing. I used to always go to the shop, get it done on some lazy shit. So I just said, you know what? I was like, you're right. Why don't I try to do it myself? So basically, I took a shot. I went on Amazon and just picked something. I don't know if there's anything else in there. So basically, this is what we're gonna be doing. But not at the moment. I just wanted to show y'all basically what it looked like and opening it up for the first time myself to see what it looked like. Let's see that knife. I don't see. I don't know if there's any instructions. Well, I've seen a bunch of videos on YouTube, which, you know, everybody got their own style, their own method of basically doing everything. So I don't know what style and what method I'm gonna go with, but as I said the first time, you know, a lot of people was like use Dawn soap. Another dude was like use baby shampoo. You know what I mean? And for your solution, for your tint solution, right? So just kind of wanted to show y'all this Moto Shell Pro. I don't see, most of them sometimes come with a brief instructions on how to do it, but this one here, I don't see nada, and I'm not gonna untape. I just wanted to basically kind of show y'all basically what I got going on here, and you know, should I unpeel it? Nah, I'm not gonna unpeel it, but maybe I'm gonna unpeel it. And peel it back, basically. All right, so we're gonna unpeel it, you know what I mean, which it makes sense, and then we're gonna stick it back, basically to have an idea of kind of what we're working with. All right. So it did come with instructions. I lied. So this is the front side. This is the passenger side. Right, so you know what we gonna do, guys? Let's kind of lay this out on this car over here. Yeah, put that. So I'm gonna kind of just take your hand and dust that off real quick. Just kind of lay it out a little bit to see how they did this. Wanna give me a hand? Hold up. All right, so this is the layout, right? So basically, what the front side is here, passenger side here. That's cool for pre-content, right, guys? You know what I mean? Basically, they did it for you. A machine did it. It did it pretty cool, right? You also here got a booklet, right? With, I guess they're basically trying to sell stuff. And what we got here, people, right? They got something for QR codes for surveys, but if they're pretty good, what you think we gonna do? I gotta do Renzel. We gonna do it for Renzel. You know what I mean? And I'm basically gonna, you know, share like what I'm doing now. So basically it came with, let me see right here. Oh, okay. So basically it came with instructions on basically how, what. So the percentage right here is 25. That's what I went with. Right, so I just only did these two. I didn't go through the back, and I just did basically because I took out these two, right? And they have, this is like a safety, an inspection sheet, right? A order quality inspection sheet, which is pretty cool. You usually don't see things like this anymore. I mean, this right here is just information. Redeem $15 with Amazon gift card. Congratulations. You think that's valid? Enter when it says enter. You may have to do that. Kind of like whatever. All right, so basically ceramic tint. That's what I want for scratch-free dent, 2-window cut. So basically, as I said, there's a machine that's doing this. Basically, they putting in the information for a Dodge Charger, and this is basically the new wave, or it been out, that's killing the average tint man that you go to, basically to tint your windows. This is the cheat code. You heard? This is the cheat code. You want to tint your window? This is the cheat code. All right. So basically, the instructions, which we're just gonna briefly go through it, right? And they have a video, basically, which is cool, right? Squeegee, heat gun, towel, blade, right? Still need a blade, spray bottle, Dawn. What did I say? Some people were saying use Dawn. Some people were saying use baby oil. So for this application, they want us to use Dawn, so we gotta get a Dawn. It said need to practice or extra pieces, such as success for success. If you're installing right, you could get extra pieces and practice, right? And they have 9-piece window film application, which you see right here. They have a video, so we will be looking at the video before we do the pre-install, just to see whatever. And they give you the basic, clean window, the nose, the lay the film on, use the heat shrink, right? And they go do it, spray inside window, peel liner, right? And they're giving you tips. It's alignment, spray tint solution, squeegee, heat gun, done. Pretty simple, right? It don't look too hard, right? Don't look too hard at all. So this is what we will be doing. Basically, the last, as I said again, hear what I'm saying, people. The last Dodge Charger mod install, whatever, for 2025, because we did go hard with it. With the rims look super dirty right now with the heavy breakers, but we did that. New tires, did what I did. That's it for this. So just wanted to bring this to y'all attention. This is what I'm doing. This is basically trying to get the company a little bit of free action. I'm giving y'all some free action. Y'all need to give me some more tint. Not this one. So this is that special sheet. And I will be tagging y'all on my video. So you already know, man. Your tint will be going on the famous Dodge Charger, and we're going to see the effect of, hopefully, the instructions and everything we do is correct. So once again, just want to show y'all. I think this is 30%. I don't remember, but the one we have is 25%. Fishbowl, 30%. Fishbowl, 30%. Never did the rear. Because you know why? What I believe with the rear is once you put tint on this rear with the heat lines after some years, right, it sticks so hard. If you have to replace it, you have to kind of scrape it, and you're gonna scrape out these heat lines. So I learned my lesson years ago not to tint my back window, because I try to protect the heat lines from getting damaged. So not doing it. Be careful. So as I said, just wanted to introduce this part for y'all, and stay tuned to that video. It will be coming soon with the first DIY install on the Dodge Charger, wide body, pre-cut tint. Y'all already know it's gonna be done by me, for the first time, the last install on the Dodge Charger. So just wanted to show y'all once again, basically what it looked like. Pretty good, pretty simple. Listen, they did a great job. They made it like for dummies, basically front side, passenger side, and we basically go get it in. So just wanted to show y'all, just wanted to introduce this, what's coming soon to the Dodge Charger. So if you're new to my channel, once again, look at my back end videos. Renzel, the orange box, GCA orange box Chevy, whatever you want to call it. When I get red eye time, it's red eye box Chevy, right? Then we got Renzel for the tow. Look at the back end videos and pick and choose. And don't forget, I got the orange Raven. We'll be coming back sometime. Bike life, you already know. Coming back soon to y'all. So, all right, pick your choice, pick your poison. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.